Do I really need a home inspection for a brand new construction? It's brand new. What could be wrong? You might be surprised by the answers. Even though it's a new construction, it's important to understand that hidden issues can still exist. So why do you need a home inspection for a newly built construction? Let's break it down. Construction defects. Don't be fooled by the newness. Rushed work, human errors, or low-quality materials can lead to unexpected defects. Building code compliance. Home inspectors ensure your property meets local building codes. Protect your investment. Think of a home inspection as an investment itself. Early issue identification could save you in future repair costs. By meticulously assessing everything from the foundation to the roof, professional home inspectors provide you with a comprehensive report that can save you costs and headaches. It's a common misconception that a newly built home is immune to problems, but that's not always the case. It's better to be proactive and safe rather than face regrets later. Investing in a home inspection for your new property is a smart decision that could save you from future problems. Always remember, prevention is a key to a smooth and worry-free home ownership journey.